The rise of AI-driven humanoid robots is no longer a distant sci-fi fantasy. They're rapidly approaching the point where they could take over not just your job, but even your household chores. This shift is both exciting and unsettling, raising questions about the future of work and daily life. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these robots a blessing that will free us from mundane tasks, or a threat to human employment and privacy? One company leading this charge is Figure, a startup based in San Jose, California, which has recently captured widespread attention with its sleek, human-like robots. Figure's momentum is underscored by a massive new funding round announced on Tuesday, where the company raised over $1 billion, pushing its valuation to an astonishing $39 billion. To put that in perspective, this valuation now surpasses well-established giants like Delta Airlines and Adidas. Brett Adcock, Figure's founder and CEO, emphasized that this surge in investment reflects a collective optimism about a future where humanoid robots become seamlessly integrated into everyday life. But Figure is far from alone in this race. Across the United States, several other companies, including Agility Robotics, Uptronic, Boston Dynamics, and even Elon Musk's Tesla, are developing their own humanoid robots. These firms have recently called for a unified national robotics strategy, aiming to strengthen the U.S. position in this rapidly evolving field and to counter China's growing dominance. China's advancements have been headline-grabbing, especially after its humanoid robots participated in a half-marathon in Beijing earlier this year. Although only 6 out of 21 robots completed the race, the event drew global attention to the country's robotics capabilities. Moreover, China hosted the World Humanoid Robot Games in August, featuring robot soccer and other sports, showcasing the competitive and entertainment potential of these machines. Louis Sentis, a professor at the University of Texas at Austin and co-founder of Figure's competitor Uptronic, highlights that this is not a fleeting trend for a single company, but a broader industry movement. The whole humanoid industry is really excited, he says, underscoring the collective enthusiasm driving innovation. Supporting this optimism, a Goldman Sachs report from February 2024 projects that the global market for humanoid robots could soar to $38 billion within the next decade. Industry insiders are beginning to wonder if humanoid robotics is on the verge of a breakthrough moment comparable to the explosive rise of ChatGPT in AI language models. Figure's vision is ambitious: to create general-purpose humanoid robots that can take over dangerous, repetitive, or undesirable jobs, ultimately benefiting humanity. Their initial focus is on sectors facing acute labor shortages, such as manufacturing, shipping, logistics, warehousing, and retail. This approach not only addresses workforce gaps, but also hints at a future where robots handle the heavy lifting, literally and figuratively. The recent funding round attracted a star-studded lineup of investors from the robotics and AI worlds, including NVIDIA, Intel Capital, LG Technology Ventures, Salesforce, and Qualcomm Ventures. Their involvement signals strong confidence in the technology's potential and the companies driving it forward. However, despite the excitement, significant technical hurdles remain. Humanoid robots rely on a different kind of AI than the large language models powering virtual assistants, like OpenAI's ChatGPT or Anthropic's Claude. While language models are trained on vast amounts of text data, robots must interpret complex, often messy sensory inputs from the physical world, visual, tactile, and more. This makes data collection and processing far more challenging. Additionally, creating portable, long-lasting batteries suitable for mobile robots is a persistent obstacle, as is replicating the fine motor skills and dexterity humans take for granted. Security is another concern. Researchers have demonstrated that AI-powered robots can be hacked or manipulated to perform harmful actions, bypassing built-in safety measures. This raises important questions about how to safeguard these machines as they become more autonomous and integrated into society. Still, experts like Sentis remain optimistic. He predicts that 2025 will be the year of the hand, marking a turning point where robots will overcome many of the dexterity and manipulation challenges that have held them back. I think humanoids hold immense promise, and today's announcement marks another exciting step, he says. So, what do you think? Are humanoid robots the next great leap forward that will improve our lives? Or are we rushing headlong into a future where machines replace human jobs and raise new ethical dilemmas? Share your thoughts and join the conversation, because this is a debate that's just getting started.